amo gani kapaulan na.
Okay na?
Ready?
Good day. My name is Christopher Booth, Barangay Chairman of Barangay Nagba, Cuartero, Capiz. I'm presenting to you the problem of our barangay, immediate problem, roofing of the household of every family in the barangay, which
Around how many times?
around 383 families in our barangay, total of 160 people, and the immediate needs is roofing. It's 10 galvanized steel, each family, which cost at around 300 each, and also nails for that will be needed.
Yeah, 300 per galvanized steel. How many galvanized steel in a rooftop?
It's around 10 pieces of galvanized iron in each family household, and
So about around 3,000 pesos, and then nails. So about, let's say 1,000. So about 4,000 pesos per
family.
Per family.
3,000 for the galvanized iron and 1,000 for the nails to be
Plus your daycare center.
our daycare also is been destroyed by the typhoon Yolanda. It will cost at around 4,000 also.
Okay. We won't promise, but we'll try our hardest to help.
Thank you. If you could give us this immediate needs of us.
Mm.
Thank you, Tata.
Thank you.